Growing up, me and my siblings spent our summer vacations overseas since our dad was based overseas. Back then, Dad and two of his colleagues, also overseas Filipino workers working in the same company, rented an old 4-bedroom apartment in a quiet, residential part of the city. The largest bedroom would be converted to us kids' bedroom whenever we stayed during the summers. That apartment, for some reason, was always cold. There were times during the day that you would feel something or someone watching you. During the evenings, it would almost feel too quiet. If you are familiar with the apartment complexes in J-Horror, our neighborhood had the same vibes. The other day, while Dad and I were discussing the horror specials aired on local TV, the topic of our old apartment came up. Dad, naaalala ko, 10 years old siguro ako noon, di ko alam kung panaginip yun basta dun sa luma nating apartment. Gabi na yun, tapos I remember may nakita akong matandang babae na naka-red dress, nakatayo lang sa sulok ng sala. Remember di ba may malaking couch doon? Nakatayo siya sa sulok. My dad actually laughed, then said, di ka nananaginip, totoo yun. Minsan nakikita ko siya pag galing ako ng trabaho sa gabi, pero white. White yung nakikita ko. Bakit red sa'yo? Laging lang siyang nasa sulok. Minsan pag umuwi ako, parang mawawala siya papasok sa kwarto ni tito mo. Ayan ang sinasabi ko sa'yo tapos noong nasa lumang apartment tayo, nagagalit kapag nagpapasama akong mag-ker. Sabi sa'yo may kakaiba sa apartment na yun, my mom added. My siblings were too young to remember anything, but my brother recalled hearing what he said were tiny footsteps late at night, and that was when he would wake me up so I can accompany him to the CR to pee. My dad and his colleagues moved out of that apartment around 2010 or so and he now lives on his own in a single bedroom unit. But that is a story for another time.